This protocol describes a simple and reproducible method for purifying and culturing specific types of primary neuron. These cultures are suitable for electrophysiological, morphological, and survival analyses.
Cultures of purified neurons can be used to study fundamentals of neuronal physiology, formation of synapses, as well as how neuronal networks develop. While we focus on cortical glutamatergic principal cells and GABAergic interneurons, this procedure can be easily modified to study any neuronal lines expressing fluorescent proteins.
To prepare glass cover slips, first thaw a 5 ml aliquot of 200 micrograms per milliliter PLL solution. Dilute this stock solution to 20 micrograms per milliliter by adding 45 milliliters of pure injection-grade water. Then, filter-sterilize the solution into a new 50 milliliter conical tube and label this tube as PLL sterile. Next, place 100 sterile round 12 mm glass cover slips in the sterile PLL solution. Agitate the tube every 5 to 10 minutes for 2 to 3 minutes to ensure even coating. After 40 minutes of PLL coating, take 2 pieces of tissue paper and lay them flat in the flow cabinet. Sterilize the paper using 70% ethanol, then flatten to remove creases and leave to dry. After coating the glass cover slips for 1 hour with PLL, remove excess PLL solution and add sterile injection-grade water.